Bitpanda Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Bitpanda Wallet app isn't just a crypto storage solution. You won't believe what happens next. It combines buying, selling, storing, and tracking digital assets in one seamless app, making it a favorite in Europe. On the pros side, Bitpanda supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and even tokenized assets like metals and ETFs. The app provides instant deposits, easy fiat to crypto conversions, and secure storage with two-factor authentication. Users can track their portfolio performance with detailed charts, set price alerts, and enjoy a clean, beginner-friendly interface. Bitpanda also integrates with its web platform, allowing for advanced trading options when needed. On the cons side, fees can be higher than other platforms, especially for small transactions. Some users may find certain features like advanced trading only accessible on the web version. The app also has regional restrictions, so users outside supported areas may have limited functionality. In conclusion, Bitpanda Wallet app is perfect for European users looking for a secure, versatile, and easy-to-use crypto wallet. While fees and feature limitations exist, its wide asset support, seamless integration, and strong security make it a great choice for both beginners and intermediate crypto enthusiasts.